Let her take your bracelets. Ariel, I'll put you on the video.
Please.
Ow.
Stupid.
Hey, baby girl. My beaker is a... My bird is a... He's a two-timer. Beaker, why are you going to him? She likes the camera. Come on, baby girl. Come to the camera. She climbs on it. Come. She doesn't want to leave. Like, great, my bird's a two-timer. What a mess.
Here, go.
She doesn't go on shoulders.
Okay.
Put her on your nose. Let's see if she'll kiss your nose. She doesn't bite. Let her kiss your nose. Put her to your nose. Come on, Beaks. Come, step up. Baby.
Yeah, you can have her. Dumb bird.
Smart bird, dumb husband. Dumb husband. Smart bird. I'm climbing on the camera. No, he's not. No, she's number one. Actually, Rocky was number one. Okay, take her. I'm going to turn off the camera.